Is your XJ's back end getting a little tired? Let's bring some life to it. Hey guys, Patrick from Iron Rock Off-Road. Today we want to show you our new XJ Overload leaf. Now you can add this to your OEM leaf pack, an Iron Rock leaf pack, or even your Bastard pack. Now what we can see out of this Overload leaf is we're going to see an increase in lift height, an increase in load capacity, an increase in the life of your leaf pack, and even bring a tired pack back to life, and it will also function as an anti-wrap. All right, now it's worth mentioning that the increase in your lift height and load capacity from this Overload leaf is going to depend greatly on the makeup and condition of your leaf pack. All right, now the kit does come with 2 leaves. It does also come with hardware, your new centering pins. We've already got it installed on the XJ behind us, so we're going to take a look at that next. So underneath the XJ here, we'll show you how it's installed. You can see on here that the centering pin hole is off center in the leaf here. We do want to make sure that this long portion is towards the front of your leaf pack here. Now you'll notice that we did get it installed here on a fairly old, what's called a Bastard pack, but you can see the fitment on it is great, 2.5 inch wide. You can see that this is a pretty thick piece here. We're looking about a 1/2 inch, so we do want to make sure that your U-bolts are going to be long enough to accommodate that. XJ's back on the ground, and as expected, we were able to get about an additional inch of lift out of that old Bastard leaf pack. Now you can find this on our website, ironrockoffroad.com. Make sure you're following us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, make sure you're subscribing to our YouTube channel.